Guys, it's Shirley again. Today I want to solve this Leetcode easy problem called island perimeter. So basically, given a row times color grid representing a map where grid ij equals 1, that represents land, and grid ij equals 0 represents water. So the grid cells are connected horizontally and vertically, and the grid is completely surrounded by water. And there's exactly one island consisting of one or more connected line cells. So the problem is asking for the defined perimeter of the island, which is basically all the edges surrounding the island. So I'm thinking that I want to use BFS to traverse through the grid and basically append the ij values to the Q. And so first I'm going to find the length of the grid, that represents the row. Co equals len grid index 0. And I want to basically loop through the grid for I in range row, for j in range col. But first I need to instantiate a queue using deck. If grid ij equals 1, then I want to append the ij value to the queue. Also, since this is connected horizontally and vertically, that means you want to have an array coordinates with 0, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 1, 0, and 1, 0. Coordinates equals 1, 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 1, 0, negative 1, 0. So now I want to loop through the queue. I want to pop out the first node from the queue, and I want to loop through the coordinates array. And I want to find a new row, a new x value, a new y value. So new r equals r plus chord 0, new c plus equals c plus chord 1. So I also want to, I have to instantiate a variable res, which is basically the count of the island perimeter. So I'm gonna have an if statement if new r is greater than, no, is less than 0, no, less than, yeah, it's less than 0, or new c is less than 0, or new r is greater than equal to row, or new c is greater than equal to col, res plus 1. Also, if grid new r zero, then res now return res and see if this works. Okay, it doesn't work. Oh, I know.